Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix remote not working on Amazon Fire Stick 4K Max. Now, if you are using the Amazon Fire Stick 4K Max, you are most probably using the third generation remote. So you just have to reset it in order to fix this issue. First, you need to unplug your Fire TV and wait for 60 seconds. Then press the left menu and back button simultaneously and hold for 12 seconds. Now release the buttons and wait for 5 seconds. Remove the batteries from your remote. Then plug in your Fire TV and wait until you see the screen that says that the remote can't be detected. Now put the batteries back in your remote and press the home button on the remote. So you just have to follow these instructions in order to reset your remote associated with the Amazon Fire Stick 4K Max in order to fix this issue. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.